Kalonzo Musyoka. He stood up to speak. He seemed to be just going straight to attack me. And he threw unprintable words for reasons which are best known to him. This now follows what I had been hearing as early as and as back as 1985, when I divorced my wife in 1983. There were rumors that Kalonzo used to, and by that time he was moving with my former wife. But I had no issues, and they continued with the same relationship until recently, when she left my house, which she had been housed by me through the courtesy of my children. And I think Kalonzo took her and introduced her to some political operatives who went ahead to fund her. But all that is not a problem with me or to me. But the most issue of concern here is the way he has been behaving, because I didn't know when I was actually helping him and supporting him, despite the fact that there were rumors indicating and for him being connected with that woman, Kavindu. I kept quiet. But little did I know that when I was helping him, when he was collecting money from me, when I was funding the party he was heading, when I supported him in 2007 to be the presidential candidate, I didn't know this intention was to get to power and finish me because of a woman who was not even with me. But that came out now clearly.